Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Today is 8th of January 2020. I present to you the PIPSREAPER binary automated trading bot. These are new bots for 2021. We are running the bots now, and briefly before we proceed, you can see here is a link to purchase this bot. It's just 7.99 USD. It's just a one-time purchase. We won't be upgrading the bots because this bot applies a Martingale and it trades the synthetic indices, and it works on both deriv and binary.com interface. And as you can see, this is a link again to purchase the bot. It's just 7.99 USD. This is the website again. You can see this is the website right here. It's the binary options PIPSREAPER automated trading bot. You can see right here. This is the website. So the purchase, you can see, is just 7.99 USD. It's just a one-time purchase. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, card payment, bank transfer, just like you make payment for the other bot, the Toscopa bot. So once you make payment, just complete the order form and submit your Gmail address. Once you confirm your payment, we are going to send the bot to you. So this is the website link. That's binary PIPSREAPERBot.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. binary PIPSREAPERBot.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. So here is the bot running. As you can see, let's just leave the bot running for a while. Let's keep it on. You can see the bot has placed 131 trades. It won 125 trades and is still in profit. You can see it just lost one there. So let's just wait for it. You can see it has applied the Martingale right there. It has applied the Martingale. You can see it has hit the profit again. So it has placed 268. Total trades 134 trades, win 127, and is still in profit. You can see it has placed 2 trades again after that. So let's just leave it. Let's let it run for a while. Still running again, and see it's profit again. So you can see again as profit. As profit again. You can see the bot is very effective. We won't be updating it, so we've already programmed everything. The installation guide is included in the guide we will send to you. The zip file. So once you receive the order after making payments, complete the order form on the order website. Binary, this is the other website again, binary PIPSREAPERBot.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. This is it right here, binary PIPSREAPERBot.city. We are going to paste this in the video description on YouTube as well, so you can see the features right here. The bot only needs 2 USD to trade, just minimum of 2 USD. So we have already controlled the logs and everything is controlled. So you can see again the bot, it has not lost since then, just one loss. It has been hitting the profit. 138 runs, 131 wins. You can see it has picked another trade again. So don't forget to subscribe to our channels for any updates, any upcoming updates. Just subscribe to all our channels. So don't forget to go right there and order the bot. There's a bot right here, PIPSREAPER binary automated bot. We just launched the bot. We've been test running the bot for like 3 months now, and it has been so effective. So we just launched the bot today. So today is 8th January 2021. So just visit the order page. You can see here are some of the results of the bot. Here are some of the results this day before yesterday, and here are some of the results again. You can see all these are live results. You can see live results right here. The bot is very effective, very effective. So thanks for watching. Bye.